Here are a bunch of birds, and they seem to be feeding off the berries that are on the roof of the porch. Needless to say, Earl is not liking it. Now Vivian's in on it too. Oh. I wonder if the berries are fermented and it's making them all drunk, because they're sort of really bold, more than you would expect. Hi, Earl. I know. Are they still out there? Looks like they've gone. Maybe all the cat commotion discouraged them. What do you think, Earl? And get a close-up on that handsome face. Here's Owen checking things out. Alright. I wonder if the birds are going to come back. Owen, what are you doing?